Howdy everyone. Today let's do page 9, the B string. The B string is your second string. So we're just gonna plow right through this now. So we have B open, and again, hopefully you have your book, you can follow along. We got B open. It is in the middle of the staff. If you broke it up in half, there'd be 2 exact halves. B is played like B string, open. C, first fret, first finger, like that. Again, keep your thumb behind the middle fret. D, third fret, third finger. And C is kind of where E was, but it's down a space. So it's sitting in between the lines. D is going through the second line. D is third fret, third finger, like that. So let's just quickly go over the whole notes. We got B, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Might have went a little fast for you there, but that is the whole notes. Half notes get 2 beats each per half note. So here you got B and B. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. 2. Second to the last measure. C, 2, 3, 4, and B, 2 and a half rest. Okay. Now for the quarter notes. A quarter note gets 1 beat each. Each measure has all the same notes in it. So first measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Third fret D, C, 2, 4, B, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. All right.